In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your skool.com account permanently. Now, it's pretty easy to do. The first thing you want to do is if we go into the Skool app like so, and just go into the settings panel like so, you can currently see there's no actual straight up way to delete your account. So what you're going to want to do to delete your account is you actually just want to go over, type in this website, help.skool.com, type that into your web browser. And once you type this into, I'm just going to type it in Safari. Once you type that in, you click on search and it will bring you to this panel like so. Now from here, you just want to click on support in the top right hand corner. This works on the computer the exact same way. And you can actually see we can report a problem. In this case, we just want to type in, we want to delete our Skool account. And once you type in a message, for example, please delete my skool.com account permanently, I no longer need it. You simply just want to click on send the message and they'll get back to you pretty shortly. It took about 24 hours for them to delete another account that I did have, but I do want to keep the current one I have. But this is how you do delete your Skool account. There's no direct button. And yeah, you just click on send message and you're done. It works the same way on your computer. If you found this helpful, leave a like.